Hi students, this is Kameswari from Nalla Nasimhareddy Education Society group of institutions. Today we are going to discuss about social forestry, that is watershed management in Unit 5. The unit is management of farms. First come to what is social forestry. The term social forestry refers to community forestry development on unutilized common land or community owned land to produce firewood, fodder and timber. In order to meet the needs of the local underprivileged people, it involves planting of trees of the local It involves the planting of trees in government wastelands, panchayati land, and also in and around the village common roads. Such projects are undertaken to reduce the pressure on traditional forests which have been degraded due to human activities. Some of the objectives of social forestry, that is increase the supply of firewood, fodder, timber and other products to local people without distributing the conventional forest. And another one is generate employment opportunities to unskilled workers and rural poor, and increase in the income of people working in such schemes leads to rise in their standard of living and quality of life. To help the local community in achieving the self-sufficiency, to improve the environment and beauty, to provide recreational facilities to the local communities. These are the objectives of social forestry. What are those? Increase the income of the people working in such schemes, and also increase the supply of firewood, fodder and also timber to improve the environment and beauty the landscape. And some of the different types of trees grown in social forestry. So that is fuel trees, fodder trees, fruit trees, timber trees and also wine breaks. So we can discuss one by one with examples. What are the fuel trees? That is neem, amla, silver oak, willow and people. These are the examples of fuel trees. Fuel trees means neem, amla. And what about fodder trees such as kachan, kathal and fruit trees, timber trees are drumstick, amla and also jamun, pear, peach and different types etc. And timber trees are coconut, jamun, teak, bamboo, pine, etc. And comes to trees to control soil erosion. That is neem, bamboo, mulberry. And one more thing is plants that helps the soil reclamation. That are jamun, willow, and also arjun. And winged breakers are silver oak, ashok, tamarind, neem. These are the different trees. These are the different types of trees grown in social forestry scheme along with examples. Once again we will repeat what are the different objectives of social forestry. First, what is social forestry? Social forestry means it involves the planting of trees in all areas. Where bare area will be there, in that areas we can develop the trees. In and around the common lands, village areas, panchayati lands, beside the roads. The social forestry refers to community forestry development on unutilized common land or community owned land to produce timber that will helps to local underprivileged peoples. By using this, the major objectives of this one is afforestation of less fertile wastelands or unproductive land areas are productive use, to provide recreational facilities to the local communities, to help the local community in achieving self-sufficiency, generate employment opportunities to unskilled workers and rural poor. These are the, and also increase the income of people working in such schemes, that is the standard of living and quality of life. And the different trees are domestic, mango, silver oak, and also bear, neem, babul, pine, willow, kare, ashok, and also cashew, different types of the trees. So these trees helps to reduce the soil erosion. Trees helps to control the soil erosion, are also that plants that helps in soil reclamation. Okay, this is the one of the topic related to watershed management. Okay, this is very theory subject. In this writing in own way, in theory subject we are referred and written in a point to point wise. These projects are undertaken to reduce the pressure on traditional forests which have been degraded due to human activities. These forests are very helpful to people. Why? Because of reduce the pollutants, increase the food production, and also by using this plantation, it will helpful for productions. Day by day population will be increased. So like that way we need more and more food products. By planting these plants, by implementation of this forestry, it will gives the fruits and also gives the good health. Okay, social forestry objectives and also different types of trees grown in a forestry in a, along with examples. Okay guys, this is one of the topic related to 15th management of forestry.